James, go say hi, Mama. Go say hi, Mama. She's not going to spray you with the hose. Aww. So, Mama, you scared me. You sprayed me with the hose. Mwah. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. Aww. What's the matter? Uh-oh. What happened, baby James? Tell me. What happened? Were you on the glass and Mama sprayed you with the hose? And you got scared? Say, Mama, do it again, do it again. Say, do it again, do it again. Cógelo con la manguera de nuevo.
Just close it all the way.
Make sure it's closed. Okay, it's closed. Woo, baby James. What's the matter? You scared of the water? It's just water, look. Did you get scared? Go get it, go get it. Uh-oh. You're not gonna get wet. You like the water anyway. He touches it like it's wet. Hey you, what are you doing? Oh, it is wet in there. Water got in underneath. Oh my gosh. You know that, Tony?